You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding aviation tech. Get ready to be amazed. Today, we're demystifying aircraft navigation and communication. First up, VOR, VHF Omnidirectional Range. It's like a GPS for planes, using radio signals to guide them to their destination. Next, we have ILS, Instrument Landing System. Think of it as a precision guide that helps pilots land safely, even in poor visibility. It's the ultimate assist for smooth landings. Now let's talk TCAS, Traffic Collision Avoidance System. This onboard superhero keeps an eye out for nearby aircraft, ensuring they don't get too close and preventing mid-air collisions. And then we have the Squawk code. This 4-digit code from the aircraft's transponder is like a plane's ID card, helping air traffic control know who's who in the sky. There you have it. VOR, ILS, TCAS, and Squawk simplified. Ready to soar with this newfound knowledge? See you in the skies.